as HR professionals since last 3 decades, as you said, every day was challenging. कोई एक दिन ऐसा नहीं रहता, एक पल ऐसा नहीं रहता जहाँ we can decide कि हाँ अब ऐसा करेंगे ऐसा. So we cannot go by books. We'll have to like see situations and we cannot be like पढ़ के थ्योरी से नहीं, प्रैक्टिकली हमको करना पड़ता है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द एचआर प्रोफेशनल्स whosoever are there to be more dynamic, practical and be aware of today and be prepared for tomorrow. So books, reading and upgradation and strategic planning. These are the things I can say.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshuman Thakur and welcome to today's IMA podcast. Today we have been joined by Mr. Vijay Naidu, Deputy General Manager, Head of HR and Administration with over 31 years of experience in human resource management. His expertise spans employee motivation, statutory compliance, industrial relations, and efficient workforce development. A true veteran in aligning HR practice with business goals. Let's dive into his journey and perspective. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, first, I would like to, know from you that you have been into industry from like 31 years, more than 31 years.
Yeah, that's
There have been times then those times must be tough,
Yeah.
right? You would have to make, tough decisions. So I just wanted to know that, can you tell us a story or an experience wherein you had to take a tough decision and how did you handle that situation?
let me tell you, I started my career actually from Jamshedpur.
Yeah.
And that is the tribal place. Some of the people like workforce in particular, if you say, they were not very much cultured and they had a different type of a background. And being in a multinational in Kaparwa, I remember, there was a situation when we had a strike. The strike was basically because the land was acquired by the employers, our employers earlier, giving them some commitments like आपके बच्चे को ये मिलेगा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलेगा, कुछ मिलेगा. और उसके बाद सडनली देखते हैं जब कंपनी ग्रो हो गया, आगे बढ़ गई, उसके बाद उनके बच्चों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं मिला, कमिटमेंट्स फेल हुए. तो उस समय में द लेडीज ऑफ द household, they used to come and sit for a strike at the gate. So being HR professionals and male members there in that particular area, हम लोग ना उस jurisdiction में जा सकते हैं, ना अंदर जा सक रहे हैं, ना काम करा सक रहे हैं. लेडी पुलिस आती है, उन लोग सुनते नहीं हैं. They used to consume all alcohol and things like that whatsoever. So that those type of situations जहाँ पर unions हैं, ladies get involved and all, वो बहुत मुश्किल होता था. But now again I was with Hero in Gujarat. Then I was in Honda in Ahmedabad, Baroda, Ahmedabad. And then I came here. I'm with Vakmet India Limited here. These are peaceful areas. We don't have unions. We have got good people, cultured people. So it was a journey from there to here. So there was a difference, lot of difference, lot of like awareness in people. अभी जो लोग हैं, they are very literate, aware, and they are not that type of people जो पहले हमको मिले थे. So उस समय का challenge और आज का जो ये है, that journey was very different.
So, in today's IMA conclave, I was listening to Mr. Harjit Khanduja sir, right? And उन्होंने एक स्लाइड दिखाई थी जिसमें उन्होंने अमिताभ बच्चन का मोहब्बतें का एक पिक्चर दिखाया था जिसमें उन्होंने लिखा था कि परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन, इन तीनों को लेकर वो अपना इंस्टीट्यूट संभालते थे एंड देन ही ब्रॉट अ चेंज, राइट? ही हैड टू चेंज. आई वुड वांट टू आस्क यू कि अगर इस डायलॉग को हमें चेंज करना है कि परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन, और इसको एक नए ज़माने के डायलॉग से अगर आपको रिप्लेस करना हो फॉर टुडेज़ एचआर, क्या बोलेंगे आप? क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सो ये तो अमिताभ बच्चन जी के इसको मैं चैलेंज तो नहीं कर सकता. एंड सबसे पहला जो सर ने आज इस डायलॉग को दिया था स्टेज पर, अरिजीत सिंह, आई वाज प्रिविलेज्ड टू गिव हिम अ टोकन ऑफ
yes.
ये फ्रॉम आईएमए. सो आई एम ग्रेटफुल एंड ही वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल स्पीकर एनीवे.
Absolutely.
और ये जो है परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन, उसको आज भी हम लोग को करना है. दैट टाइम इट वाज ट्रेडिशनल
Yes.
और उनका तरीका थोड़ा अलग था. वो परंपरा आज भी उसको फॉलो करते हुए वील हैव टू सी दैट वी आर लाइक मोर ऑफ प्रोफेशनल and the approach is professional. We are more practical, we are more dynamic,
Right.
and very like friendly to the culture of today's world. So that is what I say. I don't have any money. I'm not against that parampara, pratishtha and anusashan. That anusashan, that discipline has to be followed,
Yes.
and that's all right.
So there must be a lot of people who would be watching this podcast, a lot of HR aspirants, right, who want to build the career in HR. We have to give them a success mantra or 3 points that they should probably work on to become a successful HR professional. What it would be?
See, they should be dynamic. And as I heard with from speakers today, कि वो गुडी गुडी बन के नहीं रहना है. We should be like थोड़ा सा tough. एंड सिचुएशंस जैसे आते हैं उसको उस तरह से हैंडल करना है, ना कि बिकॉज सी एज एचआर प्रोफेशनल सिंस लास्ट 3 decades एज यू सेड एवरी डे वाज चैलेंजिंग. कोई एक दिन ऐसा नहीं रहता, एक पल ऐसा नहीं रहता जहाँ वी कैन डिसाइड कि हाँ अब ऐसा करेंगे ऐसा. तो वी कैन नॉट गो बाय बुक्स. वी विल हैव टू लाइक सी सिचुएशंस एंड वी कैन नॉट बी लाइक पढ़ के थ्योरी से नहीं,
Right.
प्रैक्टिकली हमको करना पड़ता है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द एचआर प्रोफेशनल्स whosoever are there to be more dynamic, practical, and be aware of today,
Right.
and be prepared for tomorrow. So books, reading, and upgradation, and strategic planning. These are the things I can say.
So I'm sure your journey must have been a roller coaster ride.
Yeah,
It would have been 31 years.
very much.
And I'm going to ask you one fun question, right?
Yeah, please.
See, if you have to describe your journey in one movie or a movie name, if you have to give a movie name, आप क्या movie name देना चाहोगे?
बहुत सारे मूवीज होंगे बट मुन्ना भाई का वो कौन सा है वो, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई, और बीच बीच में झप्पियाँ पप्पियाँ लेते रहो, चलता रहेगा. अदरवाइज तो लगे रहना पड़ता है.
Absolutely.
लगे रहो.
Sir, thank you so much for your time. I think we had a very great conversation and wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.